The people at the accommodation office wanted to know who is coming by to live on campus next year. We got to let them know for sure by next week. It sounds like most people are coming back. What are you guys going to do? Have you decided yet?
Really? They need to know so soon. Well, I have already decided. I am coming back next year. I think on-campus accommodation provides a better atmosphere for studying.
Honestly, I've been considering living outside. I think I would prefer a bit more independence. Plus, I've found an affordable place that is pretty close to campus. Plus, I think living off campus could be a good way to experience more of the city.
Really, Emily? I hadn't heard you made a decision. That's interesting. Well, those are both good points. I'm kind of torn between the convenience of living on campus and the independence of living off campus.
Hey, why don't you make a list of pros and cons? That might help you in your decision making. Or you could just flip a coin, Joe. But really, think about what will make your life easier and happier. Consider the cost, travel time, studies, and distractions in both scenarios.
Ding. I will keep these points in mind when submitting the response. Whatever the case, everyone needs to make up their mind by next week for sure.
Sure, I've made up my mind.
In the discussion, they talked about living on campus or off campus next year. The barista said the office needs names by next week. Joe said he will stay on campus. He thinks it is better for studying. It is also more convenient. Emily said she will live off campus. She wants more independence. She found a cheap place near campus. She also wants to explore the city. Joe said both ideas are good. He feels confused. Emily gave advice. She said, make a list of pros and cons. Think about cost. Think about travel time. Think about study environment. Think about distractions. The barista said the decision must be made soon. In the end, they shared useful ideas to help choose the best place to live.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more videos.